Just really pretty.
So amazing.
It was amazing until you came and ruined the lighting.
I was about to take a shower, so.
You should take a shower. Glittering blooms, sheer must, get your wings. Found it. Katie's here with us. Gonna be making a lot of noise, you guys, because she does not want to be in her chair, but she has to be in her chair. So, the first thing that I'm gonna do is actually go into the... Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, do me a favor and subscribe. Today's video, I'm going to be changing my new set of eyeliners, so I'm going to be moving to month 3. Yes, props to me. Guys, if you want to see me switch out my eyeliners, I'm actually going to go ahead and do that really quick for you, and then I have an amazing haul. It's after the holidays. I have my tree up. Pretty naked though, but I did some more shopping and I picked up some really awesome things from the Victoria's Secret semi-annual sale. I also went to Zara for the first time, like in store. Like I went to a Zara store. The experience was not the best. So yeah, guys, keep on watching. The first bag we're gonna go into is Victoria's Secret. Sorry if you can see the lines or the shades on my reflection, but I can't help it. I'm sitting in front of the window for natural daylight. Okay, so the semi-annual sale. So the first set I got was just this really cute bra and panty set. It's in a beautiful maroon burgundy color, and actually I think I lost a little bit of weight because this is a size 32D and I was a 32 double D. Fits really nice, seamless. It is a push-up bra. I really don't need a push-up bra. This is their Victoria's Secret Sport. It's just a sports bra, and I really actually just like love the detailing on the bra strap. I think it's so cute how it says Victoria's Secret in black and white. Because I couldn't resist, I had to get the matching bottoms. So that is my first set. The next thing I got for Victoria's Secret, I actually got a lot of beauty this time. If you watch my other Victoria's Secrets and my annual hauls, that I love beauty and I love their fragrances. The first thing that I want to show you really quick, just because it's not that exciting, it's a panty dust bag. This was 99¢ at checkout, so I thought this was really cute. It's just a drawstring mesh bag. You can throw your dirty undergarments in here. It was 99¢, so I also picked up from their beauty, oh my gosh, this lotion is like leaking. Victoria's Secret Showtime Angel. This is seriously the best smelling scent that I found in the pit of bins of beauty. For $3.99 each, and this one here is just glittering blooms, sheer musk, and get your wings. That's the scent. It's very pretty. I loved it so much that I love the scent so much that I had to pick up one for my best friend. I have 2 best friends. I picked my one best friend up, actually the Backstage Angel. This is totally for him, like this is his style. It's super cute. This one has pink lips, a beautiful diamond on the packaging. It's so gorgeous. This one is Pink Sugar Citrus Rush Spotlight Ready. He's always spotlight ready. This is perfect for my friend, so I picked him up that. That's it for this bag. Got one more thing for my girlfriend. I actually picked her up a matching fragrance spray, also in Showtime Angel. So I got her that just because her and I have, you know, accomplished quite a bit from 2018 together, and so I really just wanted to show my appreciation for her and pick her up some, you know, little thoughtful things. So she's also gonna get that. Rebel Teas was on sale during the semi-annual sale, and they had other scent sets. It's the body lotion and it is perfume mist. Beautiful, and it comes in this really awesome purple box, and it just has stars on the packaging that actually move. It was $30 and it was on sale for 75% off, so I got it for literally like $7.50. Guys, that is absolutely amazing. That set was $7.50. Okay, so let's go ahead and change these eyeliners. I'm gonna try to do it really, really quick. I did brush my teeth and floss, wash my hands and everything. I just always have really bad anxiety when I have to change my trays because I do not like anticipating the pain. Take off my tab and show you guys month 3, week 3 and 4. I'm just gonna do that just like that. Use the saliva. I just have the Bright On box here with me today, but my old one's in there. Done. Oh my god, I'm petrified. I'm gonna put the bottoms in. Okay, here we go. Here's my smile. They feel a little like wide in the back actually. That's the eyeliner. it seems like it's not sitting, but does not hurt, at least not yet. So it's a gradual change, gradual shift. So, whew. Hey guys, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna move on into the next portion of this video. If you guys have any questions about Smile Direct Club, or if you're interested yourself, check down my description box because there is a link where you guys can save money on your treatment. So guys, ask away. Okay, moving on. Next, gonna go into what I got from Zara. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to show you guys what I found at Zara store. Literally never went in, never saw the shop, never was there when it opened. So I finally was able to go after the holidays, okay, after the new year, and I finally went. And it was more of like a speed trip because I really wasn't supposed to go inside of Zara, and I really wasn't supposed to spend money, but I did anyway. So I just wanted to show you what I found really quick. This is my Zara haul. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna show you guys, I'm actually gonna come up here like this on my table. Okay, so the first thing I got is this really cute like cami top. It's so pretty, and everything was red tag, or they were having like a super sale, Zara sale. I have no idea. I literally only purchased 2 things from Zara that I can recall, and I only have 1 of those items left. Okay, this was $15.95. The next one that I got is something very similar. It is a all black lace cami, totally inspired by my girl Kourtney Kardashian. Love this style, love this type. I love the way it lays. It's gonna be super pretty, super chic. I adore this piece. Also was on sale. Okay, so the next beautiful piece, the beautiful shirt that I got. Oh my gosh, look at it, love this. I saw it, I was just like, I need it. I don't know where I'm gonna wear it to, but look at this beautiful tunic dress. And it has long sleeves, and there are ruffles at the bottom. Beautiful like plaid like ruffles. It's so beautiful. This top here, this is also an extra small, and it just says Zara Basic. You can see, probably not, but it's an extra small, and it was made in Morocco. This was on sale for $19.99. Now this I paid $19.99 for. Weird experience at Zara, whole nother video. If you guys want me to put a lookbook together, let me know, I can do that, but I really just want to get through the haul phase. This was a jacket, or I thought it was a jacket. It's a caramel colored shirt. It's like a jacket shirt. It is like a really pretty nice dressy blouse, but it's a little heavier than a traditional woven top. That's why I thought it was a jacket, but I plan to wear it unbuttoned, off the shoulder, with a mini skirt or some skinny jeans and a cute pump, okay? Don't know where, but I had to take it, okay? Also in an extra small, made in Turkey, beautiful tan color. I'm obsessed with neutrals. Has gorgeous brown buttons. Okay, so this next top is super adorable. It's like a woven crop top. It's in the size small. It's a red tag, $17.99. This is not a cliche, and it is so freaking cute. I can't wait to wear this top. It is literally adorbs. Again, $17.99, not bad, right? Lastly, I just got one more top that the girl actually forgot to put in my bag. She gave me the wrong size after I found it. But it's this really cute, skanky tank top, and stop, PA. And it just looks like this, and it's a tank top, and it crosses in the back, so it just has spaghetti straps as the shoulder strap. So that's everything that I got from Zara, and yeah.